2 ducks. Adorable little ducks. One duck's brown, and it looks an extremely lot like a platypus, and it's really cute. Oh, there he goes, turn around, and then this other normal duck. Come on, duckies, come on, duckies, come on. Ducks. Oh, why do they keep turning away from me? There's that duck. And here's this duck. They're so cute, ducks. And they've been here almost every day. There's a good view of you. They can freeze into like looking like gnomes. They make funny noises. There are our ducky friends. Well, one last look. And there's the brown duck hiding in there.